Hey viewers, thanks for clicking this video. Welcome to SAN CTR channel. In this video we will discuss about why Python is important for developers these days. Now watch this video till the end. Hey viewers, ever wonder why Python is everywhere these days? From web apps to data science, it seems like every developer's talking about it. I'm not saying Python is the ultimate king and other languages are worthless. What I'm saying is why Python is ruling in every sector. So that let's get started. Versatility is king. Imagine a language that's equally at home building websites, crunching data, or automating tasks. That's Python. Its general purpose nature makes it a Swiss Army knife for developers. Need a web app backend? Django got your back. Want to analyze that mountain of data? Pandas and NumPy are your new best friends. Readability matters. The Python code. It looks like plain English, making it easier to learn, write, and maintain. This isn't just for beginners. Even seasoned developers appreciate the clarity and conciseness it brings. Less code, less confusion, more code and more features. Community is power. Python isn't just a language, it's a community. And what a community it is. Millions of developers worldwide contribute to a vast ecosystem of libraries, frameworks, and learning resources. Are you stuck on a bug? You can find a solution to your bug on internet or Stack Overflow easily within short time. Because of the power of Python community. Main features of Python. Let's talk about the big three features. Object-oriented, build clean, modular code that's easy to scale and maintain. Dynamic typing, say goodbye to strict variable declarations. Python adapts to your needs, making development smoother. Powerful libraries, from data science to machine learning, Python has a library for practically everything, saving you tons of time and effort. So, is Python the ultimate language? Not necessarily. But its versatility, readability, community, and powerful features make it a must-have in any developer's toolbox. Learning Python isn't just acquiring a skill, it's opening a door to a world of possibilities, where creativity meets efficiency and coding becomes less and more of a joyful adventure. So, what are you waiting for? Start your Python journey today. One day you will understand the power of Python. I know the power of Python because I'm using Python from 4 years. Now you know why Python is important for developers these days. I think you got the point. Thanks for watching full video. Finally, if my code runs on your machine, please like, share, and subscribe to SMCTR channel because I will add more bugs on your code.